Welcome to Kapalua Plantations course in Maui, home of the PGA Tournament of Champions. Here's some tips and tricks to help you tackle the course. First, take advantage of the beautiful practice facilities to get you locked in for your round. Once you get on course, remember to take in the views. Beautiful views mean beautiful golf shots. On the tee box, I suggest getting your disco stick out as much as possible. The fairways are open and inviting, plus there's a few drivable par fours. In the fairway, make sure to be aggressive. There's a huge margin for error, especially on a few par fives to try to get on in two. Take advantage. The short game is tough on this course. Be patient. The ball rolls with the grain and towards the ocean. Hopefully, these tips and tricks help you shoot low. Good luck.